Jake, how was your day today?
My day was interesting, and by interesting, I mean confusing.
Confusing? What happened now?
I will tell you, but you must promise not to laugh.
I cannot promise that, Jake. But please, continue.
Fine. I woke up, looked at the clock, and thought it was Monday. But today is not Monday.
Oh no! So you started the day with the wrong day?
Yes.
Well, do not worry. Many people feel confused in the morning.
Yes, but most people at least know what day it is.
True. And that is why today's topic is perfect. We will talk about your day, my day, and a funny guest story.
And we will speak slowly, clearly, and with simple English.
So if you are a beginner, relax. You can follow everything here.
All right, let us start the day together, and I will try to stay in the correct day this time.
Jake, how did your morning start today?
My morning was loud, very loud.
Loud? What happened?
My alarm shouted, "Jake, wake up! Now!" I jumped out of bed.
That is a strong alarm.
Yes, I think it is angry at me
Why would it be angry?
because I hit snooze every day. It remembers.
Okay. After the alarm, what do you do?
I drink water, then I make coffee.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, toast, eggs, or sometimes only a banana.
That is simple. Do you feel awake then?
Awake? Ella, my eyes are open, but my brain is sleeping.
You need a calm morning.
And a new alarm, a soft one.
After breakfast, what is next?
I get ready, I leave my home, and sometimes I forget things.
What do you forget?
My phone, my keys, or my bag. My brain leaves home before me.
You really need a slow start.
Yes, one day I will have it.
Let us continue with your day.
Yes, the next part gets even better.
I am ready. If you enjoy this slow English talk, please subscribe.
Your support helps our new channel grow.
Today, we have a special guest. He is joining us live from Texas.
A live guest? This'll be fun.
Please welcome Sam.
Hello, Ella. Hello, Jake. It is nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you too, Sam. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, Sam. How are you today?
I am good, and I am ready to share my day.
Great. I love stories. What happened today?
My day was a little funny. It started with a small mistake.
What mistake?
I woke up late. I ran to the bus stop, but the bus came early today. I missed it.
Oh, Sam, that hurts.
Yes. Then I walked to work, and on the way, I spilled my coffee.
You spilled it on your shirt?
Unfortunately, yes. I look like a walking coffee cup.
Sam, this is a full movie.
Yes, but there is still more. At work, I sat at my desk. I fell asleep for 1 minute. My boss walked by. I opened my eyes very fast.
That is a close call.
Wow. What happened next?
After that, I worked for many hours. It was a long day.
And after work?
After work, I went home. I changed my clothes. I relaxed on my sofa. And then I ate pizza. A big pizza.
Pizza! Now the story is perfect.
Thank you for sharing your day, Sam. Your English was clear and simple.
Yes, Sam. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you both. I enjoyed this. Have a great show.
Bye, Sam.
Bye, Sam.
Bye.
That was Sam, our live guest. His day was simple, funny, and very real.
Yes. And now I feel better. My day was confusing, but Sam's day was wild.
Let us talk about his story now. There is a lot to learn in easy English.
Yes. Let us break it down.
Jake, Sam had a full day. A late morning, a missed bus, and spilled coffee.
Yes. And the pizza. The pizza saved the day.
Yes, the pizza was the hero.
Sam was brave. Coffee on the shirt is a big problem.
Which part was the hardest for him, you think?
The coffee spill. Coffee should go inside the mouth, not outside the shirt.
True. But Sam stayed calm. That is good.
Yes, and his English was simple.
Exactly. Simple English is powerful. Short sentences help everyone understand.
But, Ella, I have a question, Sam said. I sat at my desk. How can he sit at a desk? He should sit on a chair.
Good question, Jake. Yes, he sits on the chair. But we say sit at the desk because the desk is the place where you work.
So, on chair, at desk. Two things at the same time.
Yes, English is simple and funny.
And he said, I fell asleep. Why not I sleep?
Because fell asleep means the moment you start sleeping. It is the action of entering sleep.
Ah, the start of sleeping. I like that. I fall asleep in meetings.
Jake, please do not fall asleep here.
No. Do not worry. One more thing, Ella. Sam said, I walk to work. Can I say I go work walking?
You can, but it sounds strange. The natural sentence is, I walked to work.
Okay, then I will walk to pizza next time.
Yes, that is better English.
Ella, should we also show a simple way to talk about your day?
Yes, let us show the easy way and the not so easy way.
Oh no, I know who will do the not easy part.
Yes, Jake, you will show the wrong way. I will show the right way.
Okay, I am ready, I think.
Let us begin. Jake, please tell us your day in the wrong way.
My day, My day is wake up, breakfast, work, home, sleep.
Jake, that is not a sentence. That is a grocery list.
What? It sounds fine to me. People will understand.
Will they? Try again, a little longer.
Okay. Here is the long, wrong way. My day is wake up, I go work, I eat food, I home come, I sleep.
Jake, that is still not clear.
Why? I said the same things you say. You just use more words.
No, Jake. I use the right words and the right order.
Right order? What is wrong with my order?
You said, I home come.
Oh, yes, that sounds strange.
And you said, I go work. But the natural way is, I go to work.
Yes, that sounds better.
And you said, I eat food. But we say, I eat breakfast or I eat lunch.
Ah, now I see. You use small words, but smart words.
Yes, small, simple, clear.
Okay, Ella, I understand now. My version was strange.
A little strange, but funny.
Yes, funny. Now please show the right way.
Listen to the right way. I wake up in the morning.
Better already.
I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I rest in the evening. I sleep at night.
Yes, this sounds clean. Not like my robot story.
Your robot story was fast and very funny.
Now I get it. Simple English is strong English.
Exactly. Short sentences, clear words, easy English.
Yes, now let us learn useful words.
Yes, Vocabulary time. Before we continue, I have a small request for our viewers. If this episode is helping you, please like this video.
And subscribe our channel. This helps our new channel grow.
Now, let us learn some useful words. Simple words for your day.
Yes, vocabulary time. My favorite and scary time.
Do not worry, Jake. These words are easy. Word 1 is coffee. Many people drink coffee in the morning.
Coffee? Kaffa.
Almost. Say it like this. Coffee.
Coffee. Yes, that tastes better.
Word 2 is bus. Sam missed the bus today.
Bus. Easy.
Yes, very easy. Word 3 is late. Sam woke up late.
Latey?
No, Jake. Say late.
Late. Okay, now I am not late.
Word 4 is lunch. Lunch is your meal in the middle of the day.
Lunch?
No, just lunch. Simple sound.
Lunch. Yes, that is better.
Word 5 is evening. Evening is the time after the day, before night.
Evening?
Good start. Say it slowly. Evening.
Evening. Nice. I like this word.
Word 6 is relax. Sam relaxed after a long day.
Relax?
Not bad. Say it like this. Relax.
Relax. Yes, I want to relax too.
Great job. These words will help you talk about your day.
Yes. And now, let us use simple sentences.
Yes, time for shadowing. All right, everyone. It is time to practice speaking. We will say simple sentences. Then we will say them slowly. Then you will repeat.
You can do this. Just follow our voice.
I wake up in the morning. I wake up in the morning.
I eat breakfast. I eat fast.
I go to work. I go to work.
I take a break at lunch. I take a break at lunch.
I come home in the evening. I come home in the evening.
I sleep at night. I sleep at night.
Great job! You spoke slowly and very clearly.
Yes, your English is getting better. One small step every day. Ella, you did not tell your day. You ask everyone else, but you stay quiet.
That is true, Jake. I did not share it yet.
So come on, tell me your day.
Okay. My day was calm today. I woke up early, I drank coffee, and I worked at home.
Calm? No running? No shouting alarm?
No running, no angry alarm, just peace.
Wow, you live a strong life, Ella. Full of peace.
Yes. After my work, I relaxed. Then I came to the studio in the evening.
Nice. Sam came after work. You came after relax time.
Yes. Sam had pizza. I had peace.
Peace and pizza. Best team ever.
Yes. And now we finished the episode together.
Good. Let us close the show.
All right, everyone. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. You learned simple English and real sentences.
And you met Sam, the pizza hero.
Yes. Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us about your day in the comments. 1 or 2 simple sentences.
Yes. We read your comments and we learn from you too.
And please like this video if it helped you today.
And subscribe to our channel, The English Speaking Show.
And share it with a friend. Learning is more fun together.
Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.